Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money using AI crypto videos. Okay, so cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, or forex trading and business finance, this kind of niche it's called high CPM niche. That means if you make a videos on this particular topic and if your YouTube channel is monetized, so you're gonna make huge money than other YouTubers. If you want to start a YouTube channel for YouTube automation, okay, and if you want to really make money on online in 2025, so this video for you. So in this video I am going to show you step-by-step tutorials where you're gonna learn how to create a full script using ChatGPT, and then how you can create AI videos, okay, and using AI tools. So step-by-step tutorials, just follow these steps and just make videos and make money. So if you are interested in YouTube automation, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Visit my YouTube channel and go to the playlist section and you will find a AI faceless YouTube automation full course. It's 5 videos over there and you will find the updated video in this playlist. So this is part 1, part 2, part 3. It's part by part videos, that's mean a series videos. So start with part 1 and then finish 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you will learn the basic ideas for YouTube automation, how you can find the niches and how you can find the script writer, how you can create your own video, how you can set up a complete YouTube channel so you don't have to spend any money and you don't worry about to hire freelancer to create your YouTube channel. And if you need any support, just message me through Instagram or Facebook or just comment below, okay, in this video. Okay guys, so let's get started with our topic, how we can make money using AI crypto video. Okay, so first of all you have to use ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek to research, okay, so what kind of videos you want to produce. So as you want to produce crypto videos, so what is the video ideas? So maybe you don't have enough video ideas and you can use ChatGPT to get the video ideas fast. So write a prompt over here. Give me 10 video topics that have high search volume and low competition with SEO titles, tags and description of crypto. So you can elaborate this, also you can short, also you can add as different keywords or different words that can help you to get the proper and accurate video topics. Okay, so let's press enter. So identifying video topics within the cryptocurrency niche that have high search volume and low competition requires through keyword search, which is specific data can fluctuate over time. Here are 10 potential video topics along with suggested SEO titles, tags and description. That's amazing. So this is the title, guys. DeFi yield farming explained how to maximize your crypto returns, and this would be the description. So you can make it long, so just give another prompt and ChatGPT will give you a bigger description. And this is the tags that you also include into your video. Okay, so also you can elaborate this. And this is the top 5 emerging cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025. Fantastic. And this is the title, guys, hidden gems. Okay, so you can use same as it is, top 5 emerging cryptocurrencies set to explode in 2025. So I hope you clearly understand how we can create the video ideas and video topic with title, description and tags and many more. So if you want to elaborate this, you can make it a short title, a long description, and also you can get different tags over here. Okay, and it's really SEO friendly. As you can notice, it's a SEO title and tags and description that are suggested. Alright guys, so now it's time to create our video. But before going to creating videos, so if you don't have YouTube channel like cryptocurrency, if you want to start a specific YouTube channel or cryptocurrency, so just watch this part 5. Maybe I just showed you that how you can create a complete niche based YouTube channel, so that will help you a lot. Okay, so it's time to create our videos using these topics. okay, using these topics. So how we can create the topics over here? Perfect. So this is the topic description. So this is the video topics. We have title, we have description, we have text, but particularly we don't have a script. Okay, we don't have a script. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write a script, like 120 seconds video script using this title. All right, so write a video script in a paragraph using, this is our title, okay, and that should be 120 seconds video. All right, so let's press enter. Perfect, guys. So here we go. It's the narrator. This is our final script. Okay, this is our final script. That's amazing. So it's time to create the video, okay, using this script. So we have a script, titles, description. So what you else need, just need to video creation. So let's copy the script over here, and I'm going to introduce a tools. It's called Short AI. So check out my YouTube description, you will get the link over here. Okay, so you can create bulk AI short video. Okay, so you can grow your YouTube channel. So what kind of videos you can produce? You can create AI story videos, Reddit story videos, fake. So if you are interested, just visit this website and sign up with completely free and just try. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use these tools to create a crypto video. Okay, so here you can see this is the Mr. Beast video, and this is how you can create different kind of subtitle. Okay, so 99% speech to text accuracy and 32 plus languages. That's amazing. And 14 plus dynamic captions, emojis, gifs. That's amazing, guys. That's the another part. So you can schedule it directly from this website, and it will publicly direct out into your TikTok account and YouTube studio. Okay, perfect. So it's time to create the video. Okay, so I have already an account. Just using your Gmail account, is just create a free account. Okay, so before I go to the next step, I'm going to show you the pricing section. So if you were a student, so this is for a perfect tools for you, because it's for only $19 per month, and only for $19 you can create how many videos? 40 faceless videos. That's amazing. Perfect. So let's go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to show you how you can create the video. So once we landed in the dashboard, you will find the faceless videos, AI tools, and the most popular templates over there. Okay, so just click on the left hand side bar, AI story video. That's amazing. And click on this sci-fi art. That's a background style. So there are a bunch of background style over here. You can pick that you love and click on next button. And in this section, the very powerful and important, select templates. That's when if you want to select the existing templates, you can use it. And we are just use a custom prompt. That's mean we have already a script like AI crypto script. Okay, so make sure your English language, and you can select Korean, Dutch, Turkish, Swedish. So many languages over here, many languages, German, French. Okay, fantastic. And just click on custom script, and in this section just please input your script over here, and tips approximately 1000 characters per minute of video. No problem, just paste our script over here. It's a 976 characters over there. Fantastic. And then click on next button, and in this section you have to find the best subtitle templates that we've already seen in Mr. Beast video. So you will find several types of templates over here, and which one is perfect and which one is favorite, so you can comment below. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. I think this one is pretty cool, or also you can select this one. Okay, so let's click on next button, and in this section, very important, voiceover. So you will find a different kind of voiceover artist, different tone, different accent. Okay, male, female, American, UK, Indian, or Spanish, different kind of tones over here. So this is how you can learn the voice artist tone, and then you can select. Okay, so I'm going to select. Alright guys, so I'm going to select this one, Dev. Okay, and then it's time to generate the video. So click on generate video. Alright guys, so short AI, this tool will help you to generate the final video, and once you're done, so you can directly download from here. I will show you how you can download, and also you can safely leave this page and you can go to the my project. That's mean where your all the videos already you have done and you have worked with already over there. So I will play the video for you. It's 15% done right now, 30% done. Okay. Alright guys, so finally our video is done. Okay, so unlock your crypto earning potential. So this is the video guys, so let's play the video.
Digital farm where your crypto assets grow without you doing much. Welcome to DeFi yield farming. But how does it work? And how can you maximize your returns? Yield farming is a decentralized finance DeFi strategy where you lend or stake your crypto in liquidity pools to earn rewards. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap allow investors to provide liquidity in exchange for interest, governance tokens, or both. The key to maximizing returns: look for high APY, low risk pools, and smart contract security.
Okay, so it's time to download the video. So just click on here, download button, and it will automatically download it into your device. Okay guys, so in the second part, I'm going to show you how you can upload into your YouTube channel this short video. Okay, so let's jump into my YouTube channel, YouTube dashboard, and once it finally downloaded, I'm going to upload into my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's click on create, click on upload video, and select the files. But we're just going to use the title that we already generated using ChatGPT. So scroll up and just find the first topic. Okay, you can see this is the title. So let's copy the title from here and then paste the title into the title section. Perfect. And also you can remove all the description, and then let's copy the description from here. Okay, perfect, and then paste the description over here. Okay, so let's copy the hashtags or tags over here. Let's copy the tags and let's jump into the text section. So before jump into text section, so make it's a AI generated content, yes, and make it's not for kids, and just paste up all the tags over here. So also you can generate many tags. Okay, also you can write it over here, and also you can see the suggested tags over here if you use vidIQ. Okay, so that's a amazing tools for content creators and ad related video. That's really important. So you can add your and watch this video that will help you to grow your YouTube channel fast. So make it unlist until it finally done, and once it finally uploaded, then you can make it public, you can publish it video. Okay, that's the process you can make money on YouTube. So you have to follow this step-by-step tutorials and just create a YouTube channel and find a niche and then start the making video. Okay, so I have already a playlist that I showed you first, so you can follow the playlist video. That will help you a lot. So if you have any queries, please comment below, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe. So I will come back with new tutorials, so stay tuned, have a good day, and see you in the next video.